So hello guys. Today's topic is about double pawn. So double pawn means to build a structure in the same file. The two pawns should be like this. I will create the setup clear box like this. So there is not only double pawn, there is triple pawn, four pawn, five pawn, six pawn. But this setup will mostly not come. I am saying it. I think it will come up to three only. This will not come. I think so. From four, mostly it will not come. It is very rare to come. Yeah. So this creates the weakness in the game. Okay. This creates the weakness in the game. Like I will show you one position. It will come double pawn. Starting position. E4, E5, knight f9. I think you guys know this. Can you remember this? The first episode? Anyone? Yeah. It is Gyoko Piano Traps. So, bishop check. Knight goes here. Oh, wait. I think I did something wrong. Wait 1 second. We'll see from the first. E4, E5. Hey, come E5. E5. Wait a moment. Yeah, I have skipped black moves. That's the problem. So you can set up the position in board editor. So now I'm keeping it in the board editor. This is not chess.com, but I will prefer to use chess.com. But now I'm just showing you in real chess. Okay, so here, wait, something wrong. Not okay, wait. Knight takes, pawn takes, bishop takes. Oh, sorry. Sorry. So it goes here. Oh, it will not go here. It goes here. Oh, here. We take it. So this is the set up, right? So if we go more, it means it will become double pawn. Wait, I'll show you a second. Sorry, it is very black to play it. Oh no, sorry. Don't play this. I am mistakenly kept it. Whatever I kept mistakenly, please don't move that in your game. If you know, you're lost. I know. So please don't move that. I just showed you, but please don't move what I accidentally kept. Okay. So where did I stop? Wait. This black panther. Oh no. Oh no. Like this. Oh, sorry guys. Take. So for now, think. Sorry. Think yes. So, what do you think this is weak? Why do you think this both points are weak? This is fine. They're attacking, right? They're attacking. This is fine, but why we call it as a weak square? Now come to this F file. So, why do we call it a mix? Think a little bit. Sorry. I think the bishop is here. Oh, sorry. Pawn is like this. No need to keep this. Like that means that is very worst, I would say. Like this. Then, now how will the bishop develop? That is the question. How will it develop? It will not develop, right? So, this is called double pawn. The weakness for opponent. It is not weakness for you. If you kept like that, it is weakness for you. If your opponent kept like that, it is weakness for your opponent, okay? So, thank you guys. So, our next card will be a secret. Can you guess anyone? Or what will it be? Okay, guess it. So, bye bye guys. Thank you so much. Bye.